Hi everybody, I'm going to be going over your second word study sort this week. I want you to take a minute first and look at all of these words. Think of something that you notice. When I'm looking at these words, I notice they all have an O, but the O sounds different in each of them. Let's start with this short O sound. Listen to the word long. Long goes in this category because it has a short O sound. Long. It also ends with a consonant, G. When we say consonant at the end, we have a short sound. Also, stock goes in this category. All right. Now let's listen to the long O's. The long O sounds are going to end in an E. They're going to be a consonant, vowel, consonant, and end in an E. Because it ends in the E, that's where we're going to get that long sound from. So froze will go in that category. Listen to the difference between the O in froze and the O in long. You can hear that it says itself, it's longer, because we have that E at the end. Globe will also go in this consonant, vowel, consonant, long O sound and ends with an E. Wrote would go in this category. And close would go under this heading. Now let's think about the long O sound, but where we see an OA. The OA also makes a long O sound. These are words that start with a consonant and end with a consonant but have that OA somewhere in the middle to make the long O sound, like coal. See the OA in the middle of two consonants? I also see coach. Even though there's an extra letter there, the OA is still in the middle of two consonants and making a long O sound. Same thing with roast. Oat just has a consonant on the end, but it still makes that long A sound, that long O sound since the O is next to an A. Loaf looks just like the model word, which is coal, and so does Rome. Now the last heading we have is the same, oops, I forgot to make that heading blue. These ones are all blue. The last heading we have is that same long O sound, except this time it's with a W. All right, and a W like show. Still hearing that long O sound, show. We have slow, grow, flow, throw, row, all with that long O sound because of the W. Snow, mow, no, and below. Now we have one word left, and that's your oddball this week. And that word is right in the middle. Your oddball this week is whose. It has that O in there, but it sounds a little bit different than the others. So the oddball this week is whose. That's your sort for this week. Be sure you've written your words down or printed them out, sorted them properly. And as soon as you're done watching this video, you'll be able to get your words opened up to you. Watch it as many times as you need and let your teacher know if you have any questions.